everyone! Today we're making a backless dress from a thrifted t-shirt. I used a collared shirt, but this also works well with graphic tees. For this tutorial, you will need a shirt long enough to be a dress, a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler, something to mark your clothing with, and a safety pin isn't crucial, but it helps a lot. Start by turning your shirt inside out and laying it down flat. Now draw a line connecting the side of the collar to the bottom of the sleeve on the same side. Curve the line slightly in towards the center of the shirt. Repeat on the other side and subscribe to my channel. Now grab your scissors and cut the sleeves off following these lines. Flip your shirt backside up and draw a line across the shirt at the bottom of the sleeves. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then cutting through only the back layer of fabric, cut across this line and then cut around the back of the collar and discard the extra fabric. Now put the shirt on, still inside out, and grab the fabric on the sides and pull it to the back, making it fit your body. Mark where the two sides touch in the back and then move down a little bit and repeat, making a few marks down to the bottom of the shirt. You want it to be very tight around the waist area, then a little bit looser around the butt and hips. Then we're going to do the same thing with the collar. I came out of focus here, but I just pulled it in the back till it fit my neck, then marked where the fabric touched. Now lay your shirt down flat again, backside up, and find the center of the shirt vertically and draw a line down the center. Now we're going to measure and center our marks. So measure the distance between each set of marks we made, then make new marks half that distance out from the center on each side so that they are even. Do this all the way down to the bottom set of marks, then fold your shirt on the center line, making sure your side seams are lying on top of each other. Draw a line connecting your new marks. Starting a few inches away from your line, cut off the excess fabric at the back of the shirt. From the excess fabric, cut a few thin strips. Stretch them and keep them for later. Now make sure both layers of fabric are lined up at the top and bottom. Then we are going to start cutting tiny holes. Now I mean tiny as you can holes through both layers of fabric, all the way down the line we drew, about 1/2 inch apart. Once you've cut all of your holes, grab a safety pin if you have one, and pin it to the end of one of your strips of fabric from before. Pull the strip through the top hole and out the second hole, pull it all the way to the end, and tie both sides together in a knot at the very end of the strip to hold it there. Then continue to weave the strip of fabric in and out of the holes all the way down to the bottom, pulling the shirt fabric lengthwise as you go to keep it lying flat. If you get to the end of the strip before the bottom of the shirt, just tie another strip of fabric to the end to make it longer and continue weaving. When you get to the bottom, stretch the shirt from top to bottom to make sure it's lying flat. Then tie the ends together in a knot like we did at the top and trim the end. Now to make the collar lace up, Cut off the back section of the collar just outside of your marks, then on each side near the edge, make 2 holes, one at the top, one at the bottom. On this shirt, it will be 4 holes because the collar makes 2 layers. Then grab a strip of fabric and lace the collar up like a pair of shoes. Tie each end or tie the ends together so they don't pull back through. Put the dress on over your head because it did not fit over my butt, and tighten and tie up the collar. And that's it. If there's any extra fabric at the sides, just fold it in. This also makes the edges look a little neater. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.